All parties Hurriyat conference has said that the BJP-led Indian government is using all draconian measures to muzzle the voice of the freedom of the people of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesperson Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas in a statement in Srinagar said, "Every Kashmiri feels suffocated in an atmosphere of fear and terror in the occupied Kashmir." After 5th August 2019, Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is working on a plan to deprive the unique identity and culture of the people of the occupied Kashmir and impose its Hindutva agenda on them. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said India wants to snatch the Kashmiris' identity to harm their struggle for the right to self-determination. 10 people have died after a passenger vehicle they were traveling in fell into a deep gorge on the Srinagar-Jammu highway. According to Kashmir Media Service, the ill-fated vehicle met an accident around 1:30 in the night and the vehicle fell into a 300 feet deep gorge at a place called the Battery Chashma in the Ramban district. Administration in the occupied Kashmir has issued an avalanche warning for 4 districts of the occupied territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, a spokesperson of the Disaster Management Authority said avalanche with a medium danger level is likely to occur above 2400 meters over Kupwara, Bandipora, Baramulla and the Ganderbal districts in the next 24 hours. Pakistan will continue to extend its moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmiri people for the just and the peaceful settlement of the long-pending Kashmir dispute in accordance with the United Nations Security Council resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, Foreign Office spokesperson, revealed that the Indian occupation authorities are reportedly set to auction some blocks of the lithium reserves discovered in the occupied territory.